What's up, Michael? Kirby, coming to you from your roof. Thank you so much for having me here today. We've got a 20-year-old dimensional shingle with some light hail damage from circa 2008, 2013, 2017. This is a pretty beat up roof right here, man. Sure, as you well know, since you're having me out to estimate the damages. You can see fiber actually showing right there, the shiny stuff. I've seen a couple of nail pops as well. The only thing that's new on your roof, so like you said, the previous owner may have had some insurance company stuff come out. One of the places that gets beat up the best is the ridge cap. You can see they went ahead and decided to replace that, but leave the rest of the roof. So only ridge caps. There's definitely been hail in your neighborhood. There's a beat up cap right there. Represents pretty well. So yeah, we would strip your entire roof off. We would add back drip edge that goes right here. We typically put black in, it looks the best. And you'll see that on all sides of the roof. We take the roof all the way down to the deck layer, make sure that all your boards are good, and would add back a synthetic underlayment. After that, would put on Owens Corning Oakridge shingles. So that's kind of what you could expect from Litespeed. At our valleys, and this is a valley right here, we'll put down a little bit better product than synthetic underlayment. We'll put down what's called ice and water shield. Ice and water is made where it doesn't need to receive nails to hold it down. It sticks to the deck of the roof. And if you think about it, if you were to put a piece of paper in your hand and pour water on it, the paper would actually keep the water from going and passing through. If you pour water directly into your hands when you're cupping them, the water will pass through. So that's kind of what you get with ice and water shield. And obviously we talked about breathing. That's one of the Owens Corning's biggest things, is to have your roof breathe. And we would certainly replace your ridge vents, put new ridge caps on it. Anyways, thank you so much for viewing. I'm gonna go take a look at your roof leak and see if we can't give you any help with that over there. Michael, have a great day, and we'll talk to you here in a few minutes in your living room. Thank you.